Everything Experiential celebrated its second-year anniversary recently, opening a new chapter with the launch of a magazine, BW Applause, a magazine focused at the experiential marketing and events industry in India. It was an evening of fun, food, fashion and music, a fashion show and performances by Turkish band and Desi Swag Group added glitter to the event that was attended by the country's leading event planners, marketers, agencies, event services providers and other stakeholders of the industry. The first panel, Storytelling Through Experiential Marketing, How to Build a Narrative That Speaks to Your Target Group, was moderated by Sucheta Ray, News Editor, Business World. The esteemed panelists were Kanika Mittal, Marketing Head, Reebok, Pallavi Singh, Marketing Director, Harley Davidson, and Amit Tiwari, Country Head, Media and Digital, Philips India.
My first question to all of you here is that storytelling in today's context, how do you think brands are trying to weave their narrative, keeping in mind storytelling? I'll begin with you, Kanika.
That storytelling is something which has become an integral part of marketing strategies across the world, and India is definitely embracing that at a very fast pace. To give a quick example, earlier in the year we ran a campaign. It was called MS Dhoni for India, MSD for India. The campaign was beautiful. It was something really emotional, and it said something like this. It had MSD's voice, and he said, there is so much that my country expects from me. There is so much that my fans expect me to do. But there is one thing that today I want my fans to give me. And we sort of just left the whole campaign there. And we asked people of the country to guess what their captain wants from them. And we left it there. So we had some crazy guesses and it went viral and there were a lot of conversations on it in the social media and people were trying to complete that story. A month from the date we launched the campaign, we finally gave the big answer. And we said that the one thing that MS Dhoni wants from you is that you give him an hour of your time. And in that 1 hour, you pursue some kind of a fitness activity, something that keeps you fit.
Storytelling is no more a part of one particular tool that people are using it, but it has become the heart of the entire particular communication that you do. Irrespective whether you do a ATL, whether you make a TVC, whether you do any particular communication, your storytelling is one way that every marketer wants to use today because it actually differentiates from an infomercial to how you can actually weave around the story to your consumer and customers. That's more important in today's. And if you see, as you rightly said, we have been in India for almost 83 years and globally we have been around 131 years as a company. We ourselves has evolved not only in terms of the communication, but also the product journey that a particular company requires, a particular brand requires, because your journey also comes out from the story expectation what a consumer and customer needs. So if you're able to understand, then your communication becomes much more simpler and easier.
You're talking about the legacy of Philips, obviously Harley Davidson, another company which thrives on legacy. You live to ride, you ride to live. So what's your storytelling and what's your experience?
So for Harley Davidson, and thanks Kanika and of course Amit, is that I'll just go back to the first question first, is that narrative is something today which is not controlled, but you can influence as a brand. And storytelling in the context of Harley Davidson is what you want to tell and from where it is coming from. So storytelling is always not just by an individual, it's by a tribe, it's by the community. So for Harley Davidson, it's in the year of 1983 is when we formed the Harley Owners Group. And it's through the customers that today the brands and the customers get influenced about what they want in terms of their product, in terms of the events. So storytelling is a very integral part of marketing, but I think as chief marketing officers, it also leads to growth of any organization. So no matter how much storytelling you do, but it has to really add to the bottom line of the business. So everything around storytelling and narrative is about the growth of the organization.
With its 360-degree coverage, this latest offering from the BW family will ensure that you experience and enjoy with applause. Team BW TV, New Delhi.